Welcome to the Mobile Home Friend YouTube channel. I am Charles Odell, and this is your primary resource for everything manufactured housing. Whether you are tackling a full remodel like the one you see here, or just looking for honest advice on repairs and financing, we provide the data and technical deep dives you need to succeed. Our mission is simple: to help you save money and improve your home through first principles logic and transparent cost breakdowns. For the full technical guides and even more resources, visit us at mobilehomefriend.com.
Welcome to another deep dive from Mobile Home Friend. Today we are looking at the true ROI of window and door replacement, and this is all based on our latest research over at mobilehomefriend.com.
That's right, it's a huge oversight, and as Chuck notes on the site, it makes absolutely no sense to go and upgrade your HVAC system if all your nice conditioned air is just escaping outside. You're basically paying to heat the neighborhood.
And the amount of energy you could be losing is just staggering. We're talking potentially up to 40% of your heating and cooling. Think about that. That's a huge chunk of your utility bill just gone. Okay, so let's dive into this. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk about the numbers everyone really wants to know. What does this actually cost, and what's the payoff? What's the bottom line here? As you can see, a standard vinyl window can run you somewhere between $250 and $550 installed. But, and this is a big but, that cost can jump significantly if you need custom sizes, which happens a lot with these homes.
But here is the crucial point. This is not just an expense, it's an investment. I mean, an investment that can recoup up to 85% of its cost when you resell the home. That is an incredible return.
And you don't even have to wait to sell to see the return. On a typical, let's say, $2,500 annual energy bill, new windows can save you around $325 every single year. That's cash right back in your pocket, starting immediately. So let's break down exactly why this investment is so powerful. It really comes down to two key factors and one major, kind of sneaky technical flaw that you'll find in a lot of older homes. You get that immediate return from lower energy bills, which is fantastic, and then you get the long-term deferred return from a higher home value. I mean, it is a true win-win situation. So the big villain here is the old aluminum window. See, aluminum is a terrible insulator. It creates what's called a thermal bridge. You can think of it like a superhighway that just funnels outside temperatures right through the frame and into your house. And this brilliantly illustrates why modern vinyl windows are the superior choice. I mean, it's not even a contest. They solve this fundamental problem at its core. Okay, now let's move on. When you finally decide to replace your windows, there are two absolutely critical choices you have to make. Get these wrong, and you could be throwing your money away. So the first choice is sizing. Now, this is a big deal in mobile homes because the walls are thinner and the window openings are, well, they're often non-standard. So you have to measure really carefully to see if you can use a cheaper standard-sized window. But the most critical choice, honestly, is the installation method. Now, if you want the full technical breakdown, and you probably do, check out the post on mobilehomefriend.com. But trust me, the difference between a jump frame and full frame installation is absolutely massive. The jump frame is just a cheap shortcut. It can hide rot and it can fail later. As Chuck says, the full frame method is the only way to go. It's the real investor-grade choice that protects your home for the long haul. So, what are your next steps? What's the game plan? Well, we've broken it down into a really simple action plan for you based on your budget and what you really need. Look, if cash is tight, just start with weather stripping. It's a great first step. If you can do a little more, target the worst, most drafty windows with a standard vinyl replacement. And if a door is just totally shot, replace the entire pre-hung unit. Do it right once. So the crucial point is this. Window and door replacement, it isn't just a cosmetic choice. No way. It is a fundamental financial decision that protects and actually grows your investment. So you have to ask yourself, is your home leaking money every month? Thanks for watching. For more guides and for the full in-depth article on this topic, head on over to mobilehomefriend.com. And hey, don't forget to check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. For more technical guides on this topic, click the link to see the in-depth article over at mobilehomefriend.com. There are many more informational dives into manufactured home topics to investigate and keep your project moving forward.